Enters the stomach, so that's where the cardiac sphincter is located. Up here at the top of the stomach, just this little domed portion, that's the fundic region. This main part of the stomach is called the body. And then over here, the stomach narrows. It's only, see how skinny it is between my thumbs, so it's real narrow there. That's called the pyloric region. This big curve on the outside is called the greater curvature. The smaller curve on the inside bend is the lesser curvature. Off of the greater curvature is where the greater omentum is located. Yours has been cut off, but there should be a big apron of fat coming off there called the greater omentum.
That might be this.
Yes, this is it right here. So this.
Put that back together.
Yeah. So that's your greater omentum. On the inside, lesser curvature here, this little strip that goes over to the liver is called the lesser omentum. Okay, when you get to the pyloric region of the stomach, you'll see that little line of fat right there. That little line right there, that's where the pyloric sphincter is located. And then the first section of the small intestine after the stomach, this is called the duodenum. I then work backwards and then go to the large intestine. So in this hand I have the large intestine, in this hand I have the small intestine. So see how much smaller that is? So this last section of the small intestine is called the ileum. That's the part that joins the large intestine. So at the ileum, this little dead end that doesn't go anywhere on the large intestine, this is called the cecum. Right here where the ileum attaches, you can feel a little structure there. That's the ileocecal valve. And then for the regions of the colon, we have ascending that goes up, transverse that goes across, descending that goes down. There's no sigmoid in the cap. Okay, your other organs, the spleen. This big thing here is the spleen. The pancreas goes from the spleen over to the bend of the duodenum, so it doesn't look like much, but this kind of grayish brown thing right here, it's kind of grainy or granular. That is the pancreas. And then we come up here, off the diaphragm, you have this little membrane here. That is the falciform ligament. It divides the liver into a left side and a right side. So on this side we have left medial lobe, left lateral lobe. This is all right medial lobe. And then both of these are part of the right lateral lobe. The video or the CD has that wrong. These are right lateral lobe. And then one other lobe down here, this little part that sticks out here, that's called the caudate lobe of the liver. In the right medial lobe, you'll see this little crack here. That's where we look for the gallbladder. So that little bag there is a gallbladder. If I open it up, this bag, that's all part of the gallbladder. The little tube that comes off of it is the bile duct. And that's pretty much it.
Thank you.